Hey ladies, Styles by Rochelle here with the hair tutorial. Today we are going to be popping on one of my units that I just introduced to my wig collection. Her name is Cherry Unit, and of course she is named Cherry because the color of her. Ain't she cute? So yeah, I'm going to pop her on. I did wear her before, but I'm just going to give y'all a quick little YouTube video just to show y'all, you know, how to pop on these wigs that are glueless. I purchased the wig and it was so hard to put on, and you was like, what? I'm about to show y'all how easy it's gonna be. These are the two items that you really need. It's the stocking cap, a wig, of course, by me, and also got to be gel and got to be spray. That's it. The curlers that I'm using are H2 Pro. You can get them on the description below. I'm going to link all of the items that you need to purchase so that you do not have any issues as far as finding those things. This is going to be a simple video. As I stated, I'm going to pop some curls in. Alright, so right now I am applying the Got to Be gel onto the baby hairs that I am about to make. When you make the baby hairs, make sure that you are going in a C direction. Keep that same rotation until you are pleased with the look of the baby hair. Alright ladies, so I am done. This is the final look. This got the body wave, two baby hairs, installed by Styles by Rochelle Unit, Cherry Unit. Want to go purchase this wig? Go check her out on www.thestylesbyrochelle.com. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. See you later. Love you. Bye. And thank you for watching Transformational Tuesdays with Styles by Rochelle.